Shit, yaar. I thought I was recording and I'll explain each and every entry points. I was showing you live entry, live profit, and everything, but it was not getting recorded. Sad, but yeah. So I'll explain once again. So Aisha Motor I had taken one trade. So entry point was at 272 up. Once it got rejection, let me just switch on the pivot point indicators. If you can see from here, it got resistance, and if you'll see, this is the point from where market has come at this level, bounced back, come at this level, bounced back, come at this level, bounced back. So the expectations was the same that it is going to bounce back. Moreover, adding on that, it was the EMA line from where it got support. Okay, so again when it crossed, entered in this level, I entered, and my target was here because of this range and as well as R1 as well. Okay, so it has achieved my target. Okay, I have got 31 points. I was recording it completely when the trades was going, when the profit was from 5,000, when it was going everything, but I thought I was recording this, but unfortunately it was not getting recorded. I can't really do anything. Okay, so target has been achieved. I'll find some other entries. My target was at 2603, and entry point was 2572, which is, and I've got 31 points, which is approximately 1.2 to 3% of the total stocks. That's a good one. It's now like 9:36, and with just 20 minutes, the market is open, and the investment required in this particular stock was 84,000. So we have made 11% approximately in this particular stock, which is a good one, I believe so. And yeah, I'll look for some other entries after some time, and then I'll update you. More, and one more thing I was explaining in the previous like when I was recording, but it did not get recorded. Why did I keep my target over here? First reason was R1 and this resistance area. So I was expecting the market to touch R1 level, and from there it can get resistance. Really same thing has happened. If you'll see, it has touched, it made a high of 260 it somewhere, and it has got resistance and it is moving down. So that's the reason you have to stick to your target and take the trade accordingly, but don't be in a hurry and take any trade. Okay, that's what I want to tell. Take limited risk and profit according to the market. It may just a pullback, and from here it may start going up. It can happen in that way. But yeah, once your trade is done in that particular stock, don't look for again and again and thinking you could have holded it or anything. If you are getting an entry, let's say, if it is making a low again somewhere from here, it got resistance, we can go and enter it. But until unless we are not getting any entry, you should not be entering it. All right, guys. So I've taken one more entry on TCS. The reason behind why I've taken TCS entry, first one was EMA crossover had happened. The crossover had happened perfectly. So I don't take trade once the crossover has happened. I wait for one pullback. So pullback came, and more pullback came. So over here I took the trade at 3090, and because I knew from here it is going to take support, and that's what it has done. So my first target is going to be at 104, like this resistance, because the height has made at this point only, and my final target is going to be at 3111, because last day, as in on Friday, it has good resistance over at that point of time. Okay, so that might act as a good resistance today as well, but I'll be taking the trade accordingly. Like, and if this gives me a good target, then I'll be done for the day. Let me just go and show you the PNL 11,400 and running. And in this, I have paid approximately 1 lakh rupees. Okay, capital required is 1 lakh over here. Let's see, and I'll update you what I am doing it in this stock, whether I'm taking exit, early exit, or my stop loss is getting hit, whatever it is happening, okay, or trailing my stop loss, I'll be updating. And one more thing, this stop loss point, okay, so this one will be getting modified based on these EMA lines, okay, so I'll update you. All right, everyone, so bank nifty has been in range. I'll tell you why it is in range, because the day before, sorry, last trading day, also when the prices were coming at this level, it was in range. If you can see 3095, it has taken support from here. So today it is taking resistance, and before that, if you'll see here, this level, basically the same thing has been happening. So it has to break 3095 to go further upside. I've been waiting. It's been now 20 minutes that it has not broken this level. Okay, so one candle closing we require, so that the confirmation will be that yes, it is going to go up. But at the same time, Nifty IT is going up, which will impact this particular stock as well, TCS as well, कि इसको भी ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा. So it can happen like that. So we'll wait and we'll see what is going to happen. We'll wait and we'll see. Okay. So ये range is basically, it has to be broken, and we'll wait for some more time. As of now, it is trying to make kind of cup and handle pattern, but not a proper one. So अगर ये range continue करता है ना frequently, also I'll exit the trade. Okay, I'm looking for some other trades as well, where I'll be, if I'll get some in good entries, I'll enter. If I don't get, I will not enter. Okay, because see, satisfaction is the most important thing. It has broken the range, but this range breaking से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा जब तक कैंडल के क्लोज होने का वेट करना है. एंड देयर आर चांसेस, जो मैंने बोला ना, क्योंकि निफ्टी आईटी जो है, इट हैज बीन मूविंग really good. Okay, Nifty IT is basically up by 1.08 percentage, which is 273 points running, and TCS भी 1% से ऊपर ही है. That's why I told कि हाँ, I'm expecting कि breakout है. अगर निफ्टी आईटी भी मतलब रेंज में रहता है, वो ब्रेक नहीं कर रहा था, तो then I would have thought of exiting plan. But as of now, the breakout has come. Once it is closing, then that's a good thing. I'm not so used to use mic. I'm using it for the first time. Okay, so बार बार निकालना डालना, so उसकी वजह से mic कहीं और रखा हुआ रह रहा है, and I'm speaking. I hope the voices are correct, like audible enough. Okay, so let's go and check position first. पोजीशंस एट द एंड मतलब नहीं रहता है, क्योंकि एंट्री सही हो तो पोजीशंस मिल ही जाते हैं. So the position looks like this: 30,400 running. Okay. Let's go back and check once again TCS. What is the condition of TCS? Okay. It is at R1 now, so it's time to be careful, because from here it can get resistance. Okay, and it's time to move my stop loss to this level. Yeah. ठीक है, वेट करेंगे. अगर ये कैंडल क्लोजिंग दे दिया, then we'll achieve our target sooner, because I guess 8 points we are just away from the target. All right, guys. So we are almost near to the target, 2 to 3 points away. Okay, सब चीज आ गया है, सही है. And थोड़े points ही बचे हुए हैं. Just 2 points from here, and I believe it is going to achieve within 1 minute, maybe. I just, I keep looking on the volume depth. The reason behind क्या होता है कि market wants to move like 1-2 points का difference रहता है, but if someone places a big order, okay, so what happens in that case कि वो रुक जाता है. Otherwise, if market has to move, let's say from 310, यहाँ से 3000 31,010 से इसको और ऊपर हैज इन जाना होगा, जैसे कि 20-30 points, it will not respect any volume. But अगर let's say नहीं जाना होगा तो then it may respect that volume depth. Okay, TCS का है यहाँ पे 2000 के आसपास वॉल्यूम डेप्थ. एंड मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ ना, क्यों रिस्पेक्ट कर रहा है, बिकॉज मेरे टारगेट के पास, if you will see here, there is a range. Okay, it was a range before that, it has been broken. And one more thing, there is this fib line which is exactly at this point. Okay, so we are just 2 points away. देखते हैं, 1-2 मिनट और वेट करेंगे, नहीं तो आई विल एग्जिट एट दिस लेवल. ओके, मार्केट ने रिवर्सल ले लिया, कोई नहीं, वेट करते हैं. छोटे मोटे रिवर्सल से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है अपने को. हाँ, once it is crossing my levels, then it is going to get impacted, or else it should not impact you and your trades, because market continuously upside तो move नहीं करेगा ना. ऐसे रैली बनाते हुए जा रहा नहीं जाएगा. जैसे यहाँ से भी नीचे जब आ रहा था तो यहाँ पे लिया, एक पुल बैक किया, तो यहाँ पे भी जाएगा. 2 ग्रीन कैंडल बना चुका है, मे भी छोटा सा पुल बैक आएगा, फिर ऊपर जाएगा. ओके, सो ऐसे पुल बैक से सोच के एग्जिट करने का नहीं है. अगर एग्जिट करना ही चाहते हो तो हाफ क्वांटिटी एग्जिट करो, फुल क्वांटिटी एग्जिट नहीं करना है. ठीक है, बिकॉज मोटिव प्रॉफिट नहीं होना चाहिए, जो पॉइंट्स हमने मेंशन किया ना वो मिलना चाहिए, वो जरूरी है. और तो इसने जो 10 का बेसिकली लेवल था वो ब्रेक तो कर दिया है, बट वापस से वो ब्रेक करने के बाद उसी लेवल पे आ गया है. As in, ब्रेक किया, इट इज गोइंग ऑन. ठीक है, एंड वो जस्ट 1 point away from the target. We'll achieve it, because कोई और तो मुझे इसमें रेजिस्टेंस दिख नहीं रहा है वॉल्यूम वगैरह में. 12 पे, yeah, so we'll definitely achieve our target. And it is going to hit 1540 and on. The high till now it has made is 1115. Okay, again I have missed my mic. If you can see the volume depth, it is very near. Just 2-3 orders are there, and as soon as it is going to touch, okay, 12 का हाई बन भी चुका है. Okay, I'll show you the high. 3112 का हाई बन चुका है एक्चुअली, बट वो जस्ट टच होके आ गया होगा, तो ऑब्वियसली क्या ही मिलेगा उसमें. क्वांटिटीज ज़्यादा बढ़ रही हैं, but that's all fine. I just need to check Nifty IT once, because if Nifty IT is moving uptrend, it is going to give me टारगेट. अगर निफ्टी आईटी भी रेंज में चला जाएगा ना, तब प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. क्या क्योंकि दूसरे स्टॉक्स भी रेंज में जा रहे हैं. करेक्ट. हाँ, स्टिल वेटिंग एंड वेटिंग. सो ऐसे सब सिचुएशन में क्या होता है कि यू ट्राई टू एग्जिट अर्ली. ओके, चलो ठीक है, जो आ गया कर सकते हैं. अगर मार्केट इसी लेवल पे रेंज बाउंड कर रहा है, क्रिएट कर रहा है, यू कैन डू इट. बट दिस टाइम आई यूज्ड टू डू, बट दिस टाइम आई थॉट कि 70 पैसे. एंड one more thing you have to notice is it has given my target actually 3112 का हाई बना चुका है. So logically एग्जिट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जो हाई था हमारा वो तो मिल चुका है ना. मतलब बेसिकली जो हमने टारगेट रखा था वो हमें मिल चुका है. ठीक है, मार्केट उस लेवल तक आ चुका है. सो दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर अस एनीमोर. So it has hit my target and total profit looks like 15,600. So I was shifting my stop loss actually, and then but profit ये क्या बोलते हैं, target जो था वो भी shift हो गया, but that's fine. It will hit now. So the thing was, मैंने जैसे बोला ना कि 12 तो टच कर चुका है. ठीक है, सो सेटिस्फेक्शन की है. माय टारगेट जो मैंने रखा हुआ था वो एग्जिट वहां तक चला गया है मार्केट. ठीक है, these numbers are just कि हाँ इतना प्रॉफिट बना, बट द सेटिस्फैक्शन कम्स वंस योर टारगेट इज अचीव्ड. बेसिकली इफ यू सी हियर माय टारगेट इज अचीव्ड. करेक्ट. एंड ये पॉइंट था. ठीक है, सो मेरा टारगेट तो अचीव हो चुका है था. एक पॉइंट नीचे एग्जिट किया हमने, बिकॉज जैसे क्या होता है कि 13-12 मेरा जो टारगेट था एग्जिट, मैं मार्केट ऑर्डर पे जाके एग्जिट करूंगा तो और नीचे ही आता. ओके, सो आई एग्जिटेड एंड द टोटल प्रॉफिट which we made is somewhere 15,600. 6,300 from TCS and 9,300 from Aisha Motor. Okay, chalo. Then it's 10:20 and I'm basically done for the day, and I don't need to go again and take any more entry. That is fine. We should not hurry up कि हाँ एंट्री लेनी है. आराम से चल लेते हैं ना, मार्केट कहीं भागने वाला है नहीं. So be calm and take the entry. Otherwise, it's just waste of money if you take the entry in hurrying up, and you're taking any entry. Okay. Yeah, from here when reversal आया है, ठीक है, चलो. I'm done for the day. Thank you for watching it.